Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse, and for today we're going to unbox a package that came from Los Angeles, California through and courtesy of the Johnny Air Cargo Plus, my official carrier whenever I ordered an item from the United States. And this item came from the Brave Star. So I ordered this item last January 4 and it arrived at the SM Mega Mall Johnny Air Cargo Plus office on January 15, and it took this package to reach me in 10 days. So January 16, I pick up this parcel and we're going to open it now. I have here a white t-shirt from the Brave Star in size small. This is a 2-pack order item. So if you buy one order, you get two pieces. So I got the one with pocket in size small. It's made in the United States, and hopefully this is a loop wheel shirt. And then the other one, this is a typical white shirt without any pocket, and it is size small. We're going to open one and we'll see how it looks. It is thick, the fabric is thick. We have a rib neckline, however, it is not a loop wheel shirt where you have a seam on the side, so it's okay. The typical shirt without any pocket is for two. I paid $48. And then the one with pocket. It has also a seam on the side, so this is not a loop wheel shirt, but the texture of the fabric is very thick, thicker than ordinary white t-shirt, and you have the neckline. It's rib and non-stretch, and these cotton shirts are 100% cotton. Very nice.